Hello everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Talks. I am so happy you are here with us today. Wherever you are listening from, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hey, great to have you here. I was just thinking, today's topic is one that so many people ask us about. And honestly, I used to get confused about it too.
Same. I remember sitting in English class thinking, wait, why do we say I have been, but also I am being? What is the difference? It felt so complicated. But today, we are going to fix that. For good.
That's right. Today on Simple English Talks, we are talking about three little words that confuse almost every English learner. Be, been, and being. Three forms of the same verb, but they work very differently.
And by the end of this episode, you are going to know exactly when to use each one. Not just the grammar rules, but real sentences. Sentences you can use today in real conversations.
Before we start, we have a quick question for you. Write in the comments, which one confuses you the most? Is it be, been, or being? Tell us right now. We read every single comment.
And if you are new here, welcome to Simple English Talks. Please subscribe so you never miss an episode. We make real English simple every single week. Okay, let's go.
Let's do this. Main Teaching Section 1. Understanding BE.
All right, let's start with the first one. Be. This is the base form, the root. Everything starts here. And the good news is, you already use be every single day. You just might not realize it.
That's so true. BE is the word we use after modal verbs. Words like can, will, would, should, might, must. So the structure is simple. Modal verb plus BE. That's it.
So for example, I will be there at 6. She can be very funny sometimes. You should be more careful. They might be late. Do you hear how be comes right after the modal verb every time?
Exactly. And here's another place we use BE, after to. So, I want to be a better speaker. She hopes to be ready by Friday. He needs to be more confident. To plus BE. Very natural, very common.
I use this one all the time. Like, I want to be more organized. That is my personal goal right now. And I keep saying it. I want to be better at replying to messages.
Haha, same. I always say, I'm trying to be more patient. It's a work in progress. So listeners, think about your own life. What do you want to be better at? Write it in the comments. Use this structure. I want to be.
We really want to see your answers. Now, be also appears in commands and instructions, short direct sentences. Be quiet. Be careful. Be honest. Be yourself. These are very common in everyday English.
And in negative commands, don't be late. Don't be rude. Don't be so hard on yourself. See how it works? The structure stays the same. You just add don't before BE.
One more use of be key. Questions. Are you going to be okay? Is she going to be okay? Will it be difficult? Be shows up in so many question forms. Once you start noticing it, you'll see it everywhere.
So let's do a quick summary of BE. First, after modal verbs, can be, will be, should be. Second, after to, want to be, hope to be. Third, in commands, be careful, be kind. Fourth, in questions, will it be okay? Great, you've got BE. Let's move on. Main Teaching Section 2. Understanding being.
Okay, now let's talk about been. And this is where a lot of people start to feel confused. But I promise, once you understand one simple rule, been becomes very easy.
So here's the rule. Been always, and I mean always, comes after have, or has, or had. Always. That's the key. Have plus been. Has plus been. Had plus been. If you see been in a sentence, look left. You'll find have, has, or had right there.
Let me give you some examples. I has been here for 2 hours. She has been working all day. We had been waiting for so long. He has been learning English for 6 months. Do you hear it? Have, has, had, then been.
And this is what we call the present perfect or past perfect tense. But don't worry about the grammar names. Just remember, been always follows have, has, or had. That's your one rule.
Here's a really common one. Have you ever been to London? Have you been to a concert recently? Has she been sick? These are questions we use all the time. And been tells us about experiences, things that happened in your life up until now.
Oh yes, like, I have been to Brazil once. It was amazing. Or, I have never been on a cruise ship. Or, she has been my best friend for 15 years. Been connects the past to right now. That's the feeling it gives.
So try one right now. Say out loud, I have been, and finish the sentence, maybe. I have been studying English for 2 years. Or, I have been feeling great lately. Or, I have been very busy this week. Say it out loud, right now. Go.
And write your sentence in the comments too. I have been. We want to see what you write. Now, been also appears in passive sentences. This book has been written by a famous author. The cake has been eaten. The homework has been finished. Has been plus past participle. This is the passive voice with present perfect.
One tip here. In spoken English, we often shorten have. So instead of I have been, we say I've been. She has been becomes she's been. They have been becomes they've been. Much more natural and fluid in conversation.
Quick review of been. Always after have, has, or had. Talks about experiences and things connected from past to now. Very common in questions. Have you ever been? And in short forms. I've been, she's been, they've been. Excellent. You've got been. Now the last one. Being. Main teaching section 3. Understanding being.
All right, being. This is the one that surprises people the most. But once you see how it works, you'll actually think, oh, that's kind of logical.
So being is the ing form of be, and ing forms in English usually show something continuous, something happening right now or over a period of time. Being works exactly the same way.
Being comes after am, is, are, was, were. So, I am being careful. She is being very kind today. They are being too loud. He was being strange last night. We were being silly. Am, is, are, was, were, then being.
And what does being show us? It shows behavior, how someone is acting right now, in this moment. So, she is being very helpful, means right now, in this situation, her behavior is helpful. Maybe she's not always like this, but right now she is.
That's a really important point. I am being patient means right now, in this moment, I am choosing to act patiently. Compare that to I am patient, which means that's my general personality. Being adds that right now in this specific situation feeling.
Here's one I say a lot. Stop being so negative. Or, why are you being so quiet today? Or, he was being really weird at the meeting. These are all about behavior in a specific moment.
Being also appears in passive sentences, but this time in the present continuous passive. The house is being painted right now. A new road is being built near our home. The report is being reviewed by the manager. Is or are. Then being, then past participle.
And one more use. Being as a noun or subject. Being can mean a living creature or existence, like a human being, a being from another planet, the being of light in science fiction movies. But in everyday conversation, the action meaning is much more common.
So let's practice. I'll say a situation, and you say the sentence. Ready? You are acting very calm in a stressful moment. How do you say it with being? I am being very calm. Perfect. Now, someone is acting rude to you at a shop. You tell your friend, He was being so rude. Excellent.
Quick review of being comes after am, is, are, was, were. Shows behavior happening right now in a specific situation. Also used in passive sentences. Is being built. Are being discussed. And write one being sentence in the comments. What are you being right now? Focused? Productive? Write it. Common mistakes section.
Okay, mistakes time. And honestly, we've both made these. So don't feel bad at all. These are the most common mix-ups with be, been, and being. And knowing them will save you so many embarrassing moments.
Mistake number 1. Using being after have. This is a very common error. People say, I have being there. Wrong. After have, has, had. You always need been, not being. I have been there. She has been sick. Not, she has being sick. Never.
So the rule is simple. If you see have, has, or had, the next word is been. Write it down. Put it somewhere you can see it. Have, has, had, been. Always been, not being.
Mistake number 2. Using be where being is needed. Someone says, she is be very rude today. That sounds strange, right? Because after am, is, are, was, were, you need being. She is being very rude today. They were so loud. Wrong. They were being so loud. Correct.
Think of it this way. After am, is, are, was, were, you need the am-ag form. Just like, I am eating, she is sleeping, they were running. So, I am being, she is being, they were being. Same pattern.
Mistake number 3. Forgetting be after modal verbs. People say, she can very funny. Missing word. She can be very funny. Or, you should more careful. No, you should be more careful. That be after the modal verb is not optional. It must be there.
Haha. And mistake number 4. This one is funny actually. People sometimes say, I have been being confused about this for years. That's a bit too much. You don't need both. Just pick one. I have been confused about this. Or, I am being confused by this lesson. Not both together.
Here's a practice for each mistake. Correct these sentences. 1. She has been working all day. What's correct? She has been working all day. 2. They are be very kind. Correct? They are being very kind. 3. I will careful. Correct? I will be careful. How did you do?
Mistakes are completely normal. Every single person who learns English makes these mistakes. What matters is that now you know why they happen, and that's how you stop making them. You're doing great.
Write in the comments. Which mistake did you make before? Number 1, 2, 3, or 4. No judgment. Just learning. We all start somewhere. Interactive practice.
All right, practice time. This is my favorite part. I'm going to give you 2 sentences, and you pick the correct one. Say your answer out loud before I give it. Ready?
Let's go.
Number 1. A. She has been very busy this week. B. She has been very busy this week. Which one?
The answer is A. She has been. After has, always been, never being. Well done if you got that.
Number 2. A. He is being so rude right now. B. He is being so rude right now. Which one?
B is correct. He is being. After is, you need being. The ing form, not be.
Number 3. A. I want to be. Being a doctor. B. I want to be a doctor. Which one?
Be again. I want to be. After to, always be. The base form, not been, not being, just be.
Number 4. The car is being repaired right now. B. The car has being repaired right now. Which?
A is correct. Is being repaired, present continuous passive. Option B mixes up is and being with has, which would need been. The car has been repaired. Different meaning, different structure.
You are doing so well. Now here's your challenge. Create your own sentence using each one. One sentence with be, one with been, one with being. Write all three in the comments. We will read them, and we love seeing you practice.
And remember, speaking out loud while you practice is the fastest way to make this feel natural. Don't just read, say it. Your mouth needs to practice too. Real English lives in real speaking, not just in your head. Conclusion and wrap up.
Okay, we made it. And honestly, I hope you feel so much better about be, been, and being right now. Because you should. You really learned something powerful today.
Let's do a quick recap. Number 1, be. Use it after modal verbs like can, will, should. And after 2, I want to be. She can be. Number 2, been. Always after have, has, or had. I have been, she has been. Talks about past experiences connected to now. Number 3, being. After am, is, are, was, were. Shows behavior right now in this moment. She is being kind. They were being loud.
3 forms, 3 simple rules. And now you know all of them. That is genuinely something to be proud of. This topic confuses so many learners, and you stayed with us and learned it properly. That takes real commitment.
Here's a little question to think about. Which of the 3 forms do you think you'll use most in your daily life? Been for talking about your experiences, being for describing how someone is acting, or be for your goals and plans? Think about it, and write your answer below.
If this episode helped you even a little bit, please give it a like. It helps Simple English Talks reach more learners just like you. Share it with one friend who is learning English. And subscribe to Simple English Talks so you get every new episode the moment it comes out.
You are not alone in this journey. Every learner feels confused sometimes. But every episode you listen to, every sentence you practice, it all adds up. You are getting better every single day. We believe in you.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. It really means everything.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep being amazing. We'll see you next time.